Namaste, and once again welcome back to a new mathematics session. In this class we are going to discuss median of grouped data. There is a formula to find median of grouped data. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H, where n is the number of observations L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of median class. F is the frequency of the median class. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. And H is the class size or class width. So in order to find the median of grouped data, first of all we have to locate the median class. We have to locate a class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. Cumulative frequency is, that is Cf is greater than or nearest to n by 2. That particular class is called a median class. I repeat, we have to locate a class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2, where n is the number of observations. The total frequency is denoted by the letter n. First we have to find n by 2. For example, if it is 100, 100 divided by 2, 50. Okay, so we have to locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. That class is called the median class. And lower limit of the median class is denoted by the letter L. Frequency of the median class is F. Then frequency of the class preceding the median class is Cf. Okay, so these are the things you have to keep in mind. Now we move on to exercise 14.3. Here the first question is, the following distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Monthly consumption in units and number of consumers. 65 to 85 4, 85 to 105 5 and so on. Okay. So here, first of all we have to locate the median class. For that we have to find the cumulative frequency first. So we can redraw the table. Class interval, then frequency, then cumulative frequency Cf. So 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Corresponding frequencies 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. So in order to write the cumulative frequency, first we have to write the first entry as it is, that is 4. Now we have to add 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 9 plus next number, 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is 22. Then 22 plus 20, that is 42. Then 42 plus 14, 56. Then 56 plus 8, 64. Then 64 plus 4, 68. So in this manner we can find the cumulative frequency. Okay. Now we can locate the median class. Here the total number of observations is 68, that is n is equal to 68. Or we can write n by 2 is equal to 68 divided by 2, 34. Now we have to locate a class whose cumulative frequency is greater than and nearest to 34. It will be greater than and nearest to. So greater than 34 and nearest to 34. And it is 42. So the corresponding class is called the median class. So here the median class is 125 to 145. And L is the lower limit of the median class. H is the class size. Here it is 20. Then frequency of the median class is 20. It is denoted by F. F is equal to 20. Then CF. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Here median class is 125 to 145. So cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 22. So CF is equal to 22. Now we can find the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Here lower limit is 125, then plus n by 2. N by 2 is 34. So 34 minus CF. CF is 22 divided by F. 20 into H. H is 20. 20 and 20 get cancelled. So 125 plus 12, which gives 137. So the median is 137. Clear? Now we are going to find the mean. For that, first we can find the class mark. First class is 65 to 85. And class mark is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So here it is 75. Then 85 to 105. 95. Then 115. 135. 155. 175 and 195. Now we have to take one number as the assumed mean. Here we can consider 135 as the assumed mean. Let it be A. Next is DI. Deviations from the assumed mean. Xi minus A. So 75 minus 135. It is minus 60. 95 minus 135 minus 40. 115 minus 135 minus 20. 135 minus 135 0. Here it is 20, 40 and 60. Now the next column Fi Di. Fi into Di. 4 into minus 60 minus 240. 5 into minus 40 minus 200. 13 into minus 20 minus 260. Then 20 into 0 0. 14 into 20 280. 8 into 40 320. 4 into 60 240. Now we can find sigma Fi Di. If we add these negative numbers, we get 700 minus 700. And here it is 840. So sigma Fi Di is 840 minus 700, it is 140. And here sigma Fi is equal to 68. Okay. Now we can write the formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Di divided by sigma Fi. So here 135 plus 140 divided by 68. That is 135 plus 140 divided by 68. On dividing we get 2.05. Therefore 137.05. This is the mean. Okay. Now we are going to find the mode of the same data. For that, first we can locate the model class. We know model class is a class with the maximum frequency. Here the highest frequency is 20. So the model class is 125 to 145. So we can write the model class as 125 to 145. L is the lower limit of the model class. It is 125. Then H class size is 20. Frequency of the model class, it is F1. And frequency of the class preceding the model class is F0. frequency of the class succeeding the model class is F2. So here F1 is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 13 and F2 is equal to 14. Okay. Now we can put it in the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here 125 plus F1 minus F0, 20 minus 13 divided by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20. That is 125 plus 20 minus 13 is 7. Here 40 minus 27 into 20. That is 125 plus 7 divided by 13 into 20. Or we can write 125 plus 140 divided by 13. That is 125 plus 140 divided by 13 is 10.76. So our answer is 135.76 units. So the mode of the given data is 135.76. Okay. Here the question is find median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. While comparing mean, median and mode, we can identify that the three measures of central tendency are approximately same in this question. That's our conclusion. Clear? Here the second question is, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, median is given, find the values of x and y. Here we have two unknowns, x and y, that we have to find out. So first we can redraw the table. Here class interval, frequency, then we have to write one more column, CF, cumulative frequency. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Frequency 5, X, 20, 15, Y and 5. Cumulative frequency, first we write 5, then 5 plus X. 5 plus X plus 20, that is 25 plus X. 25 plus X plus 15, 40 plus X. Then 40 plus X plus Y, that we write as it is, 40 plus X plus Y. Here 40 plus X plus Y plus 5, that is 45 plus X plus Y. This value and the total frequency must coincide. Okay, so what we can write is 45 plus X plus Y is equal to 60, which implies X plus Y is equal to 60 minus 45. That is X plus Y is equal to 15. We can consider this as equation number 1. Okay. Now we have to identify the median class. Here median is given and we know median lies in the median class. Median always lies in the median class. Okay. So 28.5. Clearly 28.5 is a value which lies in the interval 20 to 30. So that will be the median class. Okay. So here the median class is 20 to 30. From this we can write L is equal to 20, lower limit of the median class. Then corresponding frequency is 20, so F is equal to 20. CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So 5 plus X. And here H is equal to 10. Class size is 10. 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Okay. Now you can replace it in the formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Here median is 28.5. So 28.5 is equal to L 20 plus N by 2. N is 60. Okay. So 60 by 2. 30 minus CF 5 plus X divided by F. F is 20 into H. H is 10. This 0 and 0 get cancelled. We can take 20 to left side. 28.5 minus 20 equal to 30 minus 5, that is 25, minus into plus minus, so 25 minus x divided by 2. Okay, that is 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x divided by 2. 8.5 into 2 equal to 25 minus x. 17 is equal to 25 minus x, or x equal to 25 minus 17, which is equal to 8. So the value of x is 8. We can replace x equal to 8 in equation 1. So substitute in 1. Equation 1 implies 8 plus y equal to 15. Therefore y equal to 15 minus 8, which gives 7. Therefore x equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Okay. Here the next question is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Here a table is given, but it is given in cumulative frequency model. Below 22, below 25, 6. That means below 25 include below 20 persons also. That is what is called a cumulate. Okay. Below 50 it is 92. That means it include the persons with the age below 45, below 40, below 35 and so on. Okay. So we have to change it into class interval format. For that we can write the first class as 18 to 20, because the policies are given to persons having age 18 years onwards. Or we can write 15 to 20, no problem, but it doesn't include the persons below 18 years. That's the point you have to keep in mind. Next to 25, that is 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55 and 55 to 60. And frequency F, cumulative frequency CF. This is the cumulative frequency that we can copy here: 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. 100 is the total number of observations, so n is equal to 100 and n by 2 is equal to 50. 18 to 22, cumulative frequency 2, so frequency also 2. We have to write the same number. Then 20 to 25, we can write the frequency by subtracting 2 from 6. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4. Then 24 minus 6, that is 18. 45 minus 24, 21. 78 minus 45, 33. Then 89 minus 78, 11. 92 minus 89, 3. 98 minus 92, 6. 100 minus 98, 2. So in this way we can find the frequencies from the cumulative frequency. You can check it again. 2, cumulative frequency 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 18, 24. 24 plus 21, 45 and so on. Okay, now we can locate the median class. That means we have to locate the class with the cumulative frequency greater than and nearest to 50. Nearest to n by 2. Here n by 2 is 50. So more than 50 and nearest to 50. Here the cumulative frequency is 78. It is nearest to 50 and more than 50. Okay. So the corresponding class is 35 to 40 and it is the median class. So here median class is 35 to 40. From this we can write the lower limit L is equal to 35. H class size is equal to 5. Then frequency of the Median class is 33. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class is 45. So we can write median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. So here 35 plus n by 2 is 50. So 50 minus 45 divided by f, 33 into h, 5. That is 35 plus 5 by 33 into h, or 35 plus 25 divided by 33. That is 35 plus 25 by 33 is 0.76. Okay, 0.76. So we get 35.76. So the median age is equal to 35.76 years. Okay. Now we move on to question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Length in millimeter, number of leaves. Find the median length of the leaves. While observing the class interval, we can identify that it is not a continuous frequency distribution. So first of all, make the class interval continuous. For that we can subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. Okay. So we can write the class intervals as 117.5 to 126.5. Then 126.5 to 135.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. Write the same frequency. F is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Then cumulative frequency 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So here n is equal to 40 and n by 2 is equal to 20. Now we can locate the class with the cumulative frequency greater than n by 2 and nearest to n by 2. That means greater than 20 and nearest to 20. That is 29. And the corresponding class is 144.5 to 153.5. It is the median class. Okay. So here the median class is 144.5 to 153.5. That is L is equal to 144.5. Here H is equal to 9. Class size is 9. Then frequency of the median class is 12. F is equal to 12. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, it is 17. Okay. Therefore median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. Here 144.5, then plus n by 2. Here n by 2 is 20. So 20 minus Cf is 17 divided by f, 12 into h. H is 9. That is 144.5, then plus 3 by 12 into 9. 3 and 12 we can cancel 4 times. So 144.5 plus 9 by 4. That is 144.5 plus 9 by 4. 2 4s are 8, 1 balance 10. 2 times, then 5. That is 2.25. And after adding we get 146.75. So the median length of the leaves is 146.75 millimeters. That's the conclusion. Clear? So that's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.